morning, everyone. My name is Dapo. Today, I would like to talk about cowbird. Cowbird is a traditional Karen dish. It is an important part of Karen culture. Today, I will talk about three things. First, I will talk about the ingredients. Second, I will talk about the taste. Finally, I will talk about its importance. Now, let's begin. First, cowbird is made with rice and many vegetables. Some recipes include pumpkin, bamboo shoot, and chili. Second, it is soft, healthy, and delicious. Finally, Korean families often eat cowbird together. It reflects the Korean way of life and the culture. In conclusion, cowbird is a healthy and delicious traditional Korean dish. Thank you for listening.